guys, welcome back to Ideal Paint Mixing TV. For today's video we will mix candy green and candy blue urethane paint. Candy paint refers to metallic automotive finish, which is a translucent color coat that shines in the sunlight, giving it a candy-like appearance. The darkness and final color of candy paint finish depend on the darkness of the base coat color. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and be updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you.
TikTok.